And to let you know, we just were making an omelette. Please subscribe.
Let's check if this one's fresh. It's fresh.
How do you know it's fresh?
Because it's
Made by iMovie.
Now pick it out. It feels like it's filled with water. Okay. So let's check if they're all fresh, because I don't know if we need all of them, but just check if they're all fresh. Why not?
So if it floats, do we know it's fresh?
It doesn't float. That means
What happens if it floats?
it's not fresh. When it's on the turn. When it's not fresh. That's. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, this is so cold. Water's leaking out of it. I wonder if it is actually filled with. No way, this is so cold.
So have you checked all your eggs?
Oh, but we need to wash our hands first.
Right, what are you doing, Finn?
Step 2. To wash
Step
your,
1.
To
to wash your hands. We hold. Like, I'm not joking. Put this back up.
Step 3.
Step 3. To crack your egg. There you go. Oh, it's leaking.
No, do it in the mug. Do it in the mug.
Oh, then.
Yeah. So dig your thumbs. Hey.
Oh, my fingers.
Take one. Successful. Now you put the eggshell
In
the bin.
Now we put the eggshell in the bin.
and
Step other step. Wash your hands. Again.
please help you.
Whisk. You're going to whisk up your eggs.
Step 4. To whisk up
Hold it with the other hand, darling.
your egg.
No, hold the jug.
Oh.
Okay.
I'm not very.
There's an egg inside.
Hold the jug. Does Austin want to go?
Wow, this is like.
Austin, you going to have a go? Or you going to let Austin have a go?
All sticky. Oh, make sure someone holds you.
Right, put your keyring down, please, Austin. Alright, you're going to whisk it. So well done. Okay, then we're going to go to
Step 4. We're going to turn the grill onto a medium heat. Are we supposed to put something inside?
Oh, yeah, I'm preparing.
Oh.
Push it in.
Pull.
You can do the next one.
What step is it? We're going to pour some oil onto
Onto the frying pan
the frying pan over there.
and turn it onto a medium heat. No. Go.
Step 6. We're going to turn this onto medium heat. We're going to pour some olive oil onto the pan. So we have.
It might go afterwards, Daddy.
To that. And I'll pour some oil onto the pan.
It might go
There we go.
afterwards. It might.
The oil and our pan is hot. We're going to pour the eggs in. So how much are we doing?
All of it?
All of it.
Mm-hmm. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Right, now come away. There's our egg mixture. There's the beginning of our omelette.
Oh, it feels so hot. I shouldn't be like that. So I'm actually cooking something.
Yep.
And now it's starting to become an omelette, I can see. and I've never tried one. It's not stuck when you do it, or it'll be soft. You won't be able to move it. Okay?
There you go.
And then and then when you wait a little bit, you have an omelette, just like ours.
Oh, I do like
Won't you, Daddy?
Okay.
I do like that.
All done, isn't it, Daddy? And the dinner's done.
One omelette.
Make sure you subscribe and leave a like, and make sure you have a PO fight tonight. Bye. We're going to subscribe it and eat it. Okay, so don't go yet. I'm going to keep my eyes on you.
What you said?
And do make sure you have a PO fight tonight.
Right, Finley, you can take a piece up to Mummy.
Okay.
Mummy, try it.
Taking this to my mummy. It is our omelette. And honey, for now we're cooking the omelette for you.
Oh wow.
So it's fresh, it's cooked
Oh,
with fresh eggs. Just tell you.
wow, thank you.
That's okay.
Austin, that's Mummy's. Can you move it
What do
along?
you think, Mummy?
It's great, thank you.
We're gonna eat the omelette and we're gonna subscribe have a taste with our dinner. That's his. That's mine.
The waffles.
So
First.
we're gonna eat this.
Eat the
It feels
waffles.
kind of nice.
Eat the waffles. Please eat the waffles first.
Ooh,
Eat the waffles first. Eat the waffles. Eat the waffles. Eat the waffles. Daddy.
Is that nice, Finn?
Daddy, you don't talk to me. Daddy.
No, probably
Some
not.
bits are nice, but
Daddy.
normally I can't taste anything.
Okay. So you'd eat one?
Daddy. Daddy.
Kind of.
You'd eat one with cheese in.
Daddy.
You can add cheese.
Daddy. Daddy.
We might give that a try.
Daddy. Daddy.
Goodbye and subscribe and leave a like and make sure you have a PO fight tonight. Bye.
Daddy.